All right, let's hope we can beat this rain. All right, so this is gonna be a process. I'm gonna have, usually it's on this side. I was thinking I could just come out this way, but I might have to go this way and turn around right there where we just turned around. All right, brother. Yes, sir. All right. Got a little hiccup. I'm assuming that's from the crack on the intake though. Oh, there it is, Josh. I felt it. I felt the fourth. Temps are good. We are rolling good. Almost there, baby, almost there. Is anybody even here? We made it to BT's. We're here. Old girl has made it safe and sound, all in one piece. But I don't think anybody is here. He told us to drop it off between 4 and 4:30. So we gotta get a crack welded on the intake. Told us to drop it up at 4:30, and it's like 3:45. So we might be a little too early.
Yo, what up?
Hey, I'm up here. I don't think anyone's here though.
Really?
Dude, I don't see any vehicles here. I mean, everything's locked up, shut down. I mean, I knocked on the door, Kyle knocked on the door. Yeah, I mean, I don't see anybody up here. And I damn sure ain't leaving this thing right here with the key in a fucking box outside.
Hell no. They said between 4 and 4:30, so maybe you're just too early. I thought it might be a little bit before that. This should be a problem. I just don't want you to have to sit around all day.
No, yeah, it's all good. I mean, I can lock the car and take the key with me if you want, and then come back. Or, I mean, it's your car. You tell me what, your call, man. I'll do whatever you need. But it's looking like it's about to fucking pour over here, dude. It's like we're getting covered by some gray clouds right now.
Well,
whatever
you
you...
can wait till around 4 and see if the manager comes back.
All right. Clutch in, she's off. Put her in gear, wait a couple seconds, not spinning. All right, go give the keys to Liz, and I'll be back. Hey, lights.